So to make a magic ring, simply hold the yarn across your palm of your hand, tuck the bottom in with your 2 fingers and hold your top 2 fingers out with your thumb, keeping the yarn in position. Wind the working end, which is this end, wind this end under and up and then over the top of your hand like so, so you get a cross at the top, your little kiss. Then take your hook, put it under the first loop, over the second loop, pull it through and then twist it towards you so that the neck of the hook is facing up, so the hook is facing upwards. The next thing you need to do is to yarn over with the working end and then pull that through the loop. And there you have made a magic loop. And it's that easy. You can now, it just wants to keep still, you can now adjust this loop using the tail. So that will adjust your loop. And then you can work your stitches in. So if we're working, say, some UK trebles into the ring with chain 3, and then yarn over, insert the hook, etc, etc. We'll work as many trebles or whatever we want to work in there, whatever your pattern says. And when you're ready, you just simply, my yarn is being very naughty today, please keep still. So actually I'm going to put the hook back in there to hold it steady, but all you do is then you just pull your tail and you can see that just cleans everything up. Nice tidy little edge, no hole, and then you can weave this in at the end when you've finished, or depending on what you're doing, weave it in as you go. Hope that's helped. It's just a quick tutorial just to help you out. Any comments, questions, please put them in below. If you'd like to see any other things that are more expertly done, because this is one of my first videos, so it'd be really cool if you could like and subscribe. I intend to put some more videos up here on some of my recent designs, and if there's anything you want to see particularly, yeah, just let me know. I'll be delighted to do it for you. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.